Hey, English Dominators! Have you ever wanted to talk about your hobbies in English, but your mind goes blank? You know the words in your head, but your mouth says, I like, Don't worry. Today, we fix that.
Exactly. In this video, you'll learn easy, natural sentences to speak about your hobbies in English, even if you're a beginner. By the end, you'll confidently say what you like, why you like it, and how often you do it. Sounds good? Let's go!
Imagine this. Someone asks you, what do you do in your free time? And you answer smoothly, I enjoy reading books because it helps me relax. Simple, confident, fluent.
And the best part? You don't need big vocabulary or perfect grammar. You just need the right structure. Today, we'll give you that structure.
A hobby is something you do in your free time for fun or relaxation. For example, reading, cooking, playing games, traveling, drawing, or watching movies.
Let's start with the most powerful beginner sentence.
Repeat after me. I like reading. I like cooking. I like playing cricket.
Super easy, but let's sound a little more natural.
Examples. I like watching movies in my free time. I like listening to music in my free time.
See? One small phrase, and your English sounds better already.
Use enjoy or love to show emotion. I enjoy painting. I love playing football.
Common mistake. I enjoy to play football. I enjoy playing football. Remember, after enjoy, use ing.
Now let's add a reason. I like reading because it improves my knowledge. I enjoy cooking because it makes me happy.
Reasons make you sound confident and interesting. People love that.
Use these words. Every day, on weekends, sometimes, often.
Examples. I play games every day. I watch movies on weekends. I sometimes go swimming.
Mistake 1. My hobby is play cricket. My hobby is playing cricket.
Mistake 2. I like play football. I like playing football.
Small corrections equals big improvement.
Let's practice together. Pause the video and say, I like because...
One more. In my free time, I enjoy...
See? Speaking about your hobbies in English is not difficult. You just need simple sentences plus confidence.
Practice these lines every day, and soon you'll speak naturally, without fear.
If this video helped you, like, share, and subscribe to English Dominator.
And comment below. What is your hobby? We want to read your sentence. See you in the next video. Keep dominating English.